an act to give for the grading and marking of agrarian and other yield. Whereas it's advisable to give for the grading and marking of agricultural and other yield, it's hereby legislated as follows. Short title and extent 1. 1. This act may be called the Agricultural Produce, Grading and Marking Act, 1937. 2. It extends to the total of 1, Bangladesh. Explanations 2. In this act, unless the negative appears from the subject or environment, A. Agrarian yield includes all yield of husbandry or horticulture and all papers of food or drink wholly or incompletely manufactured from any similar yield, and coats and the skins of creatures. B. Fake has the meaning assigned to that word by Section 28 of the 2, Penal Code. C. Covering includes any vessel, box, jalopy, wrapper, charger or other vessel. D. Grade designation means a designation specified as reflective of the quality of any listed papers. E. Grade designation mark means a mark specified as representing a particular grade designation. F. Quality, in relation to any composition, includes the state and condition of the composition. G. Specified means specified by rules made under this Act. H. Listed composition means an composition included in the schedule, and I, and composition is said to be marked with a grade designation mark, if the composition itself is marked with a grade designation mark or any covering containing or marker attached to similar composition is so pronounced. Tradition of grade designations 3. The 3, government, may, after former publication by announcement in the Sanction Review, make rules. A. Fixing grade designations to indicate the quality of any listed composition. B. Defining the quality indicated by every grade designation. C. Specifying grade designation marks to represent particular grade designations. D. Authorizing a person or a body of persons, subject to any prescribed conditions, to mark with a grade designation mark any composition in respect of which similar mark has been specified or any covering containing or marker attached to any similar composition. E. Specifying the conditions appertained to in clause D, including in respect of any composition conditions as to the manner of marking, the manner in which the composition shall be packed, the type of covering to be used, and the volume by weight, number or else to be included in each covering. F. Furnishing for the payment of any charges incurred in connection with the manufacture or use of any apply necessary for the reduplication of a grade designation mark or with the manufacture or use of any covering or marker marked with a grade designation mark or with measures for the control of the quality of papers marked with grade designation marks including testing of samples and examination of similar papers or with any hype work carried out to promote the trade of any class of similar papers, and G. Furnishing for the confiscation and disposal of yield marked else than in agreement with the specified conditions with a grade designation mark. Penalty for unauthorized marking with grade designation mark 4. Whoever marks any listed composition with a grade designation mark, not being authorized to do so by rule made under Section 3, shall be punishable with fine which may extend to 504 taka. Penalty for counterfeiting grade designation mark 5. Whoever counterfeits any grade designation mark or has in his possession any bones, plate or other instrument for the purpose of counterfeiting a grade designation mark shall be punishable with imprisonment which may extend to 2 times, or with fine, or with both. Extension of operation of Act 6. The 5, government, after similar discussion as it thinks fit of the interests probably to be affected, may by announcement in the sanctioned review declare that the videos of this act shall apply to and composition of agrarian yield not included in the schedule or to and composition other than uncomposition of agrarian yield, and on the publication of similar announcement similar compositions shall be supposed to be included in the schedule.